Hi, I'm Stephanie Brown. I'm the Executive Director of the Olean YMCA. Let's go in and check it out. The Olean YMCA is really a community center. Our mission is to build strong kids, strong families, and strong communities. And we work very hard at doing that every day in multiple ways. Let's go ahead and check out what our facility has and tell you a little bit more. This is our aquatic center. Here we teach progressive swim lessons for kids of all ages. We also do group fitness classes, water aerobics. We have swim team. We have open pool lanes just in general for the community to play with. We have a zero depth entry pool. It really is a facility for all people of all ages and all abilities. And we have a therapy pool, a sauna, and a steam room in this space, as well as locker rooms.
I'm Ryan. This is the Olean YMCA's sports simulator, multi-sport simulator. But one thing that we have in this simulator is our golf.
I'm Alex Bainey, the membership coordinator, and we focus on creating the best experience for members and non-members.
My name is Julian Morales. I'm the sports and rentals coordinator here at the Olean YMCA. This is our gymnasium. We have many activities going on, but our next one coming up is our youth soccer program.
Hello, I'm Liz Friedhaber. I'm the custodial coordinator here at the Olean branch. Let me show you our Eric Lane Center. We have a lovely outdoor area here, back. And as you can see, we have an aeronasium, a combination splash pad and ice rink, a playground, and a bathhouse, as well as 2 fire pits in the back. And it's a place for all the kids and adults and families, everyone come out here and play.
Hi, I'm Margaret Doty. I'm the Wellness Director here at the Olean Y. Our Wellness Center, as you can see, we have something for everybody. We've got a variety of new selectorized equipment that we upgraded last year. All of our selectorized equipment has movable parts for individual use. We also have a full line of cardio equipment. Through those doors, if we go around, you'll see a walking track. We also have a functional fitness zone with some boxing paraphernalia in there and a studio boxing thing. We do wellness consultations, and we just offered a 3D body scanning system we added to our offerings here at the Olean Y.
Thanks for visiting us today. We hope you come and join us. You can join as a member, or you can come get a day pass and check it out. Hope to see you.
But we have a full cycling studio in here.